black, yo. Queen.
Hey babes, what's good? What's poppin'? It's your girl Suzie, and I'm back at it with another motherfucking video. So if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button because I know y'all gonna like it here already. But I'm gonna get straight into the video. This is the only footage that I have on the plain jacket. So y'all literally bear with me. I don't know what's been going on with my camera. I don't know if it's deleting stuff. I'm not sure, but this is me basically tracing over the skull in black. I lost the footage of me doing this as well, so this is how it's looking. As you can see, it was plain at first, but we're gonna get right into it. So she wanted the jacket like basically like a freestyle with, you know, different colors. So she basically calling it like a splash jacket. So literally I'm taking this brush, dipping it in the paint, and to get a more vibrant look, just wanted to let y'all know, if y'all put the white on and then let that dry and then put the color that you want to use on top of the white, you get a more vibrant color. And I did learn this just by going over these jackets, and some of the colors wasn't showing up, so I just did it that way and it worked really well. But it's, as you can see, it's starting to come together. The black really did something major on the skull because it was like so plain, but the black definitely opened it up. So yeah, this is her idea. I am working with my best friend's clothing line, Akim Apparel. Make sure y'all follow her on all social media platforms. Okay y'all, so I am using a Denim 3000. I picked it up at Walmart, but this is Polo being nosy, y'all. Watch this. Okay y'all, so this is probably like a different jacket because I am working on multiple, but we're gonna go in with our scissors, and I'm kind of guesstimating on each pocket where I need to cut out, like for the elbow, and then I'm gonna go in with my seam stripper, and we're going to kind of distress around the elbow and add like a couple safety pins. So this is what it'll look like. She did want like safety pins added, so I did that as well. So now we're gonna go ahead and take our drill. I picked this up at Walmart because I ordered a distresser, y'all, like something that actually supposed to distress the clothes, but it did not have that much power. So I came to YouTube and I seen someone using one of these, and it worked pretty well. So we're just gonna distress like a little small patch and put some more safety pins, and it should look like this. Like I said, each jacket is different and unique in its own way. So then I went and distressed a couple spots around the waist. I distressed some on the arms and little designs here and there on different jackets. And this my bestie, the owner, and then I did some little more distressing on the pockets. I did some on the collar, but yeah, this video was kind of super quick, but this is what I mean when I said there's definitely wasn't just one. So y'all, it took me a little minute doing these. It was definitely a process, but it was fun. Let me know what y'all think. Jackets are available. Let me know if y'all interested in buying one. They are limited, so get them while you can. Akim Apparel. And this is her first year, y'all, too. She got so much stuff in store. But yeah, these are some of the details on the jacket. Oh my god, y'all. So I am finally finished with these freaking jackets. It wasn't just one, y'all. It was 12. And I'm finally done. Check them out. Period. Where we at? Where we at? Look at the on over there. Don't mind my space, y'all. I was working. But we finally done. We're finally done, guys.
I got to do some too. I'm blacking man out.
Yeah, so yeah, this is the final and finish. Y'all see how plain it was. But yep, your girl done it again. I'm so tired of looking at these motherfucking jackets y'all don't understand. But yep, I'm finally done. Make sure y'all shop Akim Apparel. Site will be up real soon. Soon. But yep, owner right here. I don't know why she had. Nah, I'm gonna take you out. Y'all, she also have the hats to go with it. And also Akim Apparel means God will establish. It is her name spelled backwards. And also, y'all, she started this clothing line inspiring her brother. He passed away in 2020. But yeah, make sure y'all shop and support. Well, y'all, that's the final and finishing look. I hope this video was helpful. I hope it gives you some ideas in making your own custom denim jacket. But make sure y'all give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, hit the bell button to be notified when your girl posts. And I love you guys. Peace.